Well, hello everyone, and welcome to Banjo Kazooie Nuts and Bolts. And this is Wild Card Wednesday. So let's just hop right into it. So I've never played a Banjo Kazooie game. This is a life. Pizza, sunshine, not a care in the world. This is DJ Jammer Jars on Spiral. Breaking news, punks. Did you know it's been 10 years? Oh, we may have put on a couple pounds. So it's not that we got to fight that old hag anymore. You can call me Logo. Or Log, that was my mistake. Your name is odd and you look a bit. I come to settle your differences. Clutched crown. You'll become a challenge of my choice to win the ghost spiral. Okay. Oh my god. We're skinny again. Oh, how dare you kick that cat? Hey, you deserve that for kicking the cat. Dun 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 dun. Oh, I can quit the tutorial. Never played a Banjo Kazooie game before, so okay. There you go. We got a tray, wheels, standard. Okay, cool, cool. There we go. Okay, so you get to upgrade this. Cool, cool. Okay, I see. Hey! Alright, we have a vehicle now. Okay. Alright, let's click some of these. Sorry, I'm not trying to hit you. Get out the way. Beep beep. Oops. Alright, what else we got? Yeah, I get you. I get you. You want me to drive up there? I understand. I don't know where that is, but we'll figure it out. Oh, I see the note on the. Okay. Oh, okay. So I need to go this way. I got you. I got it now. Everything's under control. Everything's under control. Oh god. Oh god. I'm wrecking. I'm immediately wrecking. Everything is not under control. Alright, back to everything being under control. Ow. We only wreck sometimes. Yeah. Okay. There you go, bird. I'm assuming it wants me to go there. Because that's what's marked. Meow. There we go. Look at that. Yay, we opened the first world. Oh, okay, I get it. Your point has been taken. Do I need this to go? Get out the way. All of y'all. Get out the way. I can't drive. Haven't you figured this out yet? Can I knock you into this? Whoa. There we go. Nutty Archer. Woo. Archer. Acres. Alright. I don't need to know what's happening. I'm sure you'll explain it. I don't know how to get up to where I need to go. Eh. Yay. Yay, we got our first jiggy piece. Ah, run away. Hide. Oh my god. How many things are going to try to eat me while I look for jiggy pieces? There's nothing on the map marking the jiggy pieces. Over here. Or is there literally only one jiggy piece to get? Ugh, swamp. Hello, world. I will find a jiggy piece if it's the last thing I do. Oh god, ow. Oh god, it's underneath me. God. That was rough. Okay, I'm gonna go back over here because that's still marked. So it makes me curious if there isn't like a way to get another jiggy piece. Ooh, wait. This tells me to go this way. Oh, that's showing my fuel. So my fuel is super low. I'm holding that thing. Okay. I wonder if I can find a jiggy piece over here. I'm gonna talk to this guy again. Yeah, that's right. You're right. Okay, well, I can't figure out how to do anything. I found one piece in this world, so maybe that's all there is. But maybe we'll find out next time on Wildcard Wednesday. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all next time. Goodbye. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the end of this week's Wildcard Wednesday. Let's see what we get on the wheel spin. Come on, something big. Good. Gang Beasts. Alright. I will see you all at Gang Beasts next week. Gang Beasts is a fun one. Alright, I'll see you all there. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.